How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is 7th September on Monday. How's the weather outside? Hot. Today's weather is hot because rainy season is going on. Our today's topic is exercise for birds. Do you seen birds? Tell me. Which are they? आपने कौन कौन से बर्ड देखे हैं? पता है आपको? ओके, आई इंट्रोड्यूस बर्ड्स विथ फ्लैश कार्ड्स. Look at this picture. Which bird is this? Tell me. Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. D for duck. And which bird is this? Tell me. Cock. Which bird is this? Cock. C for cock. And here, which bird is this? Sparrow. S for sparrow. And this, which bird is this? Ostrich. Which bird is this? Ostrich. O for ostrich. And which bird is this? Peason. P for peason. Which bird is this? Owl. O for owl. Which bird is this? Owl. And here, which bird is this? Eagle. E for eagle. And which bird is this? Crane. Which bird is this? Crane. C for crane. And look at this picture properly, okay? Which bird is this? Peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. It is beautiful bird. And you know friends, it is our national bird. Which is our national bird? Tell me. Peacock. And here, which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. And this, which bird is this? Swan. Which bird is this? Swan. S for swan. Okay. So children, you understand this bird's picture? Yes, very good. So our first exercise, match the part to the correct bird. Match the part to the correct bird. Here I drawn different birds parts, okay, and here I drawn different birds. तो ये पार्ट को उसके प्रॉपर बर्ड के साथ मैच करना है, ओके. सो हियर टेल मी, which bird is this? Tell me. Rooster. Which bird is this? Rooster. So where is rooster's body part? Tell me. Find it. Where is this? No. This? Yes. So match the rooster with its body part. Which bird is this? Parrot. But which color parrot? Parrot color. So where is parrot's body part? Find it. This? No. This? No. This? Yes. So match the parrot with its body part. Here, which bird is this? Eagle. Which bird is this? Eagle. So where is eagle body part? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. So match the eagle with its body part. Here, which bird is this? Peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. So where is peacock's body part? Tell me. Find it. This? No. This? Yes. So match the peacock with its body part. So children, you understand this exercise? Tell me. Yes, very good. Okay, so our next exercise is look at the first bird in each line or row and circle the same bird. Means हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Here I drawn different birds, but you look at this picture properly and after same bird on circle. Okay, so which bird is this? Tell me. Eagle. Which bird is this? Eagle. So here I drawn 3 different bird. Okay, so where is eagle? This? No. This? Yes. So circle this eagle. सब बर्ड्स पे सर्कल करना नहीं है, ओनली सेम बर्ड्स पे ही सर्कल करना है. Here, which bird is this? Tell me. Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. So here, where is crow? This? No. This? No. So where is? Find it? Yes, here. So circle this crow. You look at this picture carefully. Okay, children? Which bird is this? Sparrow. So here, where is sparrow? Find it. This? No. This? No. This? Yes. This is sparrow. So circle this sparrow. And last, which bird is this? Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. So here, where is duck? Find it. This? No. This? Yes. So circle this duck. Okay. So you understand this exercise? Yes, very good. And here our third exercise is circle the parts of a bird. Circle the parts of a bird. So children, हमें क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स ड्रॉ किए हैं. आपको इसमें से बर्ड्स के जो बॉडी पार्ट है वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं और उस पे सर्कल करना है. ओके, सो आर यू रेडी? यस, वेरी गुड. सो चिल्ड्रन, फाइंड इट. वेयर इज बर्ड्स बॉडी पार्ट्स? फाइंड इट. दिस? नो. दिस? यस. सो circle these peck. And where is other body parts? Birds body parts? Find it. This? No. This? Yes. But what is this? Feather. What is this? Feather. Okay, it is bird's body part. So circle this feather. And here, which picture is this? Paw. So it is animal body part. Okay, so हमें उस पे सर्कल करना नहीं है. So find it other body parts for birds. This? Yes. So circle this claw. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Claw. And here, this body part is bird's body part? No. This? Yes. But what is this? Tell me. Wings. Which body part is this? Wing. So circle these wings. Okay. So children, you understand this exercise? Yes or no? Yes. सब में सर्कल करना नहीं है, ओनली बर्ड्स के जो बॉडी पार्ट है उस पे ही सर्कल करना है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, यू राइट दिस एक्सरसाइज बुक नंबर 4, पेज नंबर 45, 50 and 20. So children, now our fourth exercise is related to vegetables. Here, color the green leafy vegetables only. Color the green leafy vegetables only. मतलब इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्या करना है, जो लीफी वेजिटेबल्स है उसमें ही कलर करना है। सब वेजिटेबल में कलर कर देना नहीं है, ओनली लीफी वेजिटेबल्स में ही कलर करना है। सो फाइंड इट लीफी वेजिटेबल्स एंड कलर इट। ओके, सो हियर वेयर इज लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, फाइंड इट। दिस, नो, दिस, no. So where is leafy vegetables? This, yes. But which vegetable is this? Spinach. Which vegetable is this? Spinach. So spinach is leafy vegetable. Okay. So color this spinach. Which color spinach? Green color. Color only the leafy vegetables. Okay. So children, find it other leafy vegetables. Find it. This, no. This, no. This, yes. But which vegetable is this? Fenugreek. Which vegetable is this? Fenugreek. So color this. But fenugreek means what? Tell me. मेथी की भाजी आती है ना, मेथी की भाजी, उसको इंग्लिश में फेन्यूग्रीक बोलते हैं। ओके, सो कलर दिस लीफी वेजिटेबल। आपने मेथी की भाजी देखी है ना? यस, तो उसको फेन्यूग्रीक बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? फेन्यूग्रीक। कलर ओनली द लीफी वेजिटेबल्स। ओके, ओके, एंड फाइंड इट अदर लीफी वेजिटेबल्स। दिस, नो, दिस, no. This, no. So where is leafy vegetables? Yes, here. But which vegetable is this? Cabbage. Which vegetable is this? Cabbage. Cabbage is leafy vegetable. So color this cabbage. We make salad in cabbage. ओके, कैबेज का सलाद बनाते हैं ना हम। टेल मी। यस, और बहुत ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें कैबेज यूज़ होता है। ओके, सो हियर टेल मी स्टूडेंट, which are leafy vegetables? Tell me. Fenugreek, cabbage and spinach. Okay, so our next exercise, circle the vegetables that grow underground. Circle the vegetables that grow underground. मतलब इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्या करना है, जो वेजिटेबल जमीन के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं उस पे सर्कल करना है। ओके, क्या करना है? जो वेजिटेबल जमीन के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं, ओके, सो उस पे हमें सर्कल करना है। सब वेजिटेबल्स पे सर्कल कर देना नहीं है। ओके, सो हियर फाइंड इट अंडरग्राउंड वेजिटेबल्स। टेल मी। दिस कॉर्न, नो। Corn is not grow in underground. Okay. So where is? Yes, here onion. Onion is grow underground. Okay. So circle this onion and find it other vegetables. Tell me. Which vegetable is this? Brinjal. But brinjal is not grow underground. Okay. And which vegetable is this? Carrot. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. So carrot is grow underground. Okay. So circle this carrot. And here which vegetable is this? Lady's finger. Which vegetable is this? Lady finger. But lady finger is not grow underground. Okay. So yes, potato. Potato is grow underground. So circle this potato. Okay. And here which vegetable is this? Tell me. Sweet potato. Which vegetable is this? Sweet potato. So children, sweet potato is grow in underground. Okay. So circle this sweet potato. And which vegetable is this? Coriander. Coriander is not grow underground. And here pumpkin. Pumpkin is not grow underground. And here which vegetable is this? Radish. Radish is grow underground. So circle this radish. Okay. And here which vegetable is this? Capsicum. But capsicum is not grow underground. And here which vegetable is this? Beetroot. Which vegetable is this? Beetroot. Beetroot grow underground. So circle this beetroot. Okay. So tell me student, which vegetables are grow in underground? Tell me. Yes, onion, carrot, potato, beetroot, radish, sweet potato are grow underground. So children, this exercise write in book number 5, page number 40 and page number 45. Thank you.